This morning is a beautiful rainy morning, and after weeks of sunshine, it feels so good to have one of those times. Sometimes I feel in the summer that because it's so sunny and my head just go bounce here and there, so much to do, so much to see. So when I have a rainy day in the middle of summer, it feels so good. It's one of those times that I feel like I can just relax, chill, enjoy the sound of the rain on my van. Video done editing. Just exporting is gonna take a couple minutes, but yeah, this is pretty much my everyday kind of routine, if you want. In the morning I always edit a video. Sometimes I start one and because I do every other day, I have time to go back the day after. I don't like spending like hours and hours on one. I like to cut it in half if you want, so it doesn't feel too long. So, but that's done. That's gonna go live. That was the meetup that we had in Halifax. It was a blast, guys. If you did watch that video, I wish I had filmed a little bit more that day, but it was amazing. We had a good time. So that's gonna finish editing, and we'll see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
Here's a wet one.
Thank you for breakfast. Whew, it's getting hot. It's kind of super hot and sticky, even though if it's raining. Typical day of rain, we have to do laundry and do all those things, clean the van, just swipe the floor. Yeah. In the summer, every day that it's raining, that's what people do. And right now, the laundromat is quite full. Even I think we're not the only one who had that idea. So I cleaned the bed. The first person on the bed who enjoyed the new sheet clean, obviously, my cat. But Heath, look at this. Look at these things. Is it you, Bacon? Is it you? Is it you? As soon as I got this new sheet, it started ripping like every time. And it's frustrating because I purchased this new duvet, I think like 6 months ago, and it's already started to be like super bad, and it's not gonna last me, hopefully it's gonna last me a year. I mean, it's already ripped in several places. So frustrating. I hate purchasing something, spending a lot of money, you know, duvet and things like this are not cheap, and I've something that I'm gonna have to replace in a year or so because it's already started to be bad. I don't like that. Is it you making a mess? Is it you? Is it you? You're biting to it. Like every person, rainy days are great to just work inside the home, clean up the van, do laundry. But we also have a steering wheel, which means we can also explore the world from the comfort of a home. we just stopped on the little side of the road, a little park there to make a little lunch. I'm gonna make a bunch of veggie. That's what's Chroma left in this fridge that need to be eat. Maybe some corn, some plant-based sausage. We really have to eat those veggies today, so we kind of passed that, making something else. And wherever Kitty is looking at, there's a sign say beach and cave access. So we're gonna go look what's going on there. Technically here is supposed to see an ocean. We don't really see so much right now. It's super foggy today. But yeah, we're gonna go check that out later on. Are you gonna come with us? Are you gonna come with us? Having lunch with me?
Most people would not get outside in this weather. Here we are.
Oh, it's pretty cool. Climbing this. Kitty! It's not a tree. It's a hut. You're crazy. Kitty, Cruzy's on the loose. Behave well. Gentle. Good boy. Gentle with Kitty, okay? No sniff to Kitty. She doesn't want to play with you, Cruzy. It's not a dog, it's a cat. Alright, so we're gonna go explore this cave beach. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. We can walk toward it. Look, it's gonna beat us.
I'll let you say it again that way. It didn't sound like what I thought you said.
No, it's a bee nest. Bee nest. Shower. It's okay. It's free. We'll do. Tournament where they catch one, the biggest one. That's a big one. I didn't know that shark was coming all the way here. Now we know. Alright, so I think we're gonna try to find a place to sleep tonight around here. I had a lot of questions last time I went in my meetup that I've done in Halifax about where to find a shower, where did I go. I use the app Vanlife quite often. Great app to find place to sleep, but also find shower and things like this. The other option is also the pool. Just told them that you are traveling through. Sometimes they have like super affordable rate. On the East Coast we have a lot of free ones. So the pool, the Isle of Lander, the marina, it's another great place. Sometimes though they are only for people who have boats, but sometimes you can find one. And obviously it's got a gym, but you have to be a gym membership. Alright, like I said, I think we're gonna find a place to sleep. I'm gonna let you guys, it's been a long day, and if you can tell, the sun is now out. Obviously at the end of the day, it's supposed to be a sunny one for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye. Enjoying the sun, Kitty? Want to say bye to people? Hey. Yeah. Want to give a kiss? Little kiss? Want to say bye, bye, bye? Yeah. You tired? You tired too? I'm a little bit tired too. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.